M0FXB Hamtech, welcome to my channel. Let's install the new QUANSHENG dock XVFO by Marcus from Nick Shaw. So let's go back to our normal window. I'm going to show you a couple of programs to help you download this. Firstly, you need to go to the GitHub link that I will title download QUANSHENG dock and click this and download the dock in a normal way, just here where I'm moving the mouse. Then if you use the way I use to program the software with this program here, I'll click yes. You connect your UV5R cable to your PC, click device manager and to your radio of course. Put the radio in firmware mode by turning it off, hold down the PTT and turn it on. You get the white flashlight on top. We know our COM is number 11, so we can select COM 11 and connect. We need to get the, oh, it must be using it on a different window, so you can't be using it with two COMs, so I'll have to close down the dock a minute. But it's worth noting that you can only use one thing at a time when using your COM ports, different COM port numbers. So connect, and now it's connected. You know it's connected, you've got 3 dots here. Now next thing you want to do is download the actual bin file. I'm going to put a direct link into this in the description. It's going to be called download bin file or direct download bin file. So that will be there for you and it will appear in your downloads folder, which you can see up here. And here it is here, this white one here. So you're going to need that one. So then we open that program that we talked about. Let's find it. Keeps vanishing. Connect. It wants me to close the other two that I've opened. So it's connected. We click the 3 dots. We select that file that's I've marked for you in the description, bin file, and then we click update. And the white light on top flashes away and you get this nice slider. So now we've got the QUANSHENG dock software and the radio has been changed to the firmware that is suitable for the QUANSHENG dock. So now let's double click the shortcut for QUANSHENG dock and that should appear with a bit of luck. Got a couple of windows open there, only one at a time. So it has appeared, as you can see here. If we just select SPECT here, you get this window and this is where you can do the waterfalls, etc. You've got the main window on the left. If we press exit here, just beneath the frequency, beneath the dot, and select XVFO, you get this window. Now Marcus has made a really good video of this, way better than the video I could make, but I just skipped through it, and as Marcus has said, this is new, everything's being changed every day, so you know, expect some bugs. But if you click the VFO, hold your finger on the mouse, you can move it around like so. You've got the frequency steps there with the plus and the minus. Just changing here, and one of them is 8.33 for airband. Auto squelch has been enabled by the looks of it. He's got different levels there. That wasn't there earlier. And when it's on or off, you get, it says squelch R. Look, you get a green light there. Excuse my dog in the background. TX power is here, look. Slider there. What's this one here? Is that, I'm not sure what that slider is. Could be mic gain. I mean, you've got. Now another thing you can do is you can just type the frequency. So if we go 145.000, it just types. You don't have to select anything, or you can type it here with this keypad. 433.300. You can see there's a memory channel. Now the way that's done is you right click the black space, click add new, and give a new name. So let's call it hello, and it will add the frequency you've got on screen. Just press enter and it's there. Now you've got a new memory channel, and when you select it, it changes. So what else are we looking at here? If we go to, we've got split here. So if you're going to do a repeater, you could type 145. I'm just using my keyboard now. Of course, you need a cable for the audio to work. 14500 there, enter. Then in the split one, I could go 145.600. And you've got like a split now. What's the COM one is showing CRX, CTX, and RT. Compound. Not sure what that is. CTCSS maybe? No, that wouldn't be that. Let's have a look here. Tone, there's tone there. On the bottom left, tone. Right click the tone. You get DCS and CTCSS. You've got a receive one there as well. Exit. Let's do the plus. See what that changes. Receive tone. Oh yeah, there you go. Plus and minus. Receive and transmit tone. Click TX tone. Mic gain as well. So I think, you know, have a play. I'm more just letting you know that it's available. You've got TX lock, PTT here as well. Let's go back to the beginning. At the top, there's all the information there as well. Look, FM, wide, frequency steps, CTCSS, tone, 26%. I'm not sure what that is, but you've got mode up here. Look, USB AM, raw. Open, is that like open squelch? Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, it is. That's why it goes green. TX is locked. Let's see. Yeah, it does let you. It does TX the radio when you press the PTT, as you can see, and it does the shift and everything. I notice that my screen isn't changing on my UVK5, but the software is. So yeah, thanks for watching my YouTube channel, and thanks, of course, to Marcus for doing all this. Which, when it, you know, we're enjoying learning. Remember, you've got settings here as well. You can select your audio device in once you've got the cable made. I did make one. Audio device in, microphone, enable pass through to hear it on the PC. You've got volume, different colors that you can change, and fonts, backgrounds for the analyzer and the waterfall gradient, and analyzer bars, lines, heat, audio latency, and buffers. If we close that and come out of this XVFO by pressing exit, and we select channel edit, then you're in a whole new window there, and you can actually read the radio. Let's try and read mine now. And you don't have to be in firmware mode to read. And there you are, it's read all my channels. We can now very easily make changes to our channels and then write it back, save it, copy it, paste it, ungroup. You've even got repeater book here. You know, look at that. That's a whole new thing again. Imagine the work that's gone into making all this happen. So, do I put my call sign in there? M0 FXB Bristol. Anything else? I don't know. I've not used it. It says here is searching repeater book. Let's try this one. And you can copy it by the looks of it. So thanks a lot, and I'll link the original video by Marcus in the description of this video. Thanks very much. Having fun learning all this and learning with your new projects. Oh yeah, if you've got the channel editor open, you can't open this window, or if you go exit on the left, or this window. So you just need to remember that. Bye for now. 7-3. All the best.